Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install n8n as a self-hosted solution on a VPS using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Docker and Nginx will be used to deploy and configure n8n, facilitating automation workflows. Let's begin, shall we? First, let's make sure your system is running the right version. Check your operating system version by typing the following command. Make sure it is showing Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. If it's a different version, now is the time to upgrade your system to ensure compatibility. Then, let's update the system with the following command. It's always a good idea to run system updates before installing anything new. When prompted, select Keep the local version currently installed, and click OK. If you receive a message saying, Continue without installing, grub, just select Yes. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Now that the system is up to date, let's install Node.js. We're going to install version 24.x, which is recommended for this setup. Add the Node.js repository to your package manager using And now, let's install Node.js. The command is To verify that everything has been installed correctly, run the following command. Expected output will be Node.js version 24.10.0 and npm version 11.6.1. As a next step, let's move on to Docker, the core technology that will let us run n8n in a container. Insert this command for installing Docker. Now, make sure Docker starts automatically with the system, and start it with these commands. Next, it's time to install Docker Compose, which is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. We'll need it for n8n. You should see the following output. After installing Docker and Docker Compose, it's time to set up n8n in Docker. Start by creating a new directory for n8n and move into that directory with this command. Now, create the Docker Compose.yml file by typing. Paste the following content into the file. Don't forget to replace the password with a strong one. After saving the file, ensure the correct ownership of the n8n data folder by running the following command. Finally, this command helps you to start the n8n container in the background. As you know, Nginx will act as a reverse proxy, forwarding traffic to the n8n container. So, we should set it up. To do this, first, install Nginx. At this point, we need to configure Nginx for n8n. This command helps you open the Nginx configuration file. Paste the following configuration into the file. Now, replace your domain.com with your actual domain name, for example supportteam.xyz. To create a symbolic link to enable this site, the command is. Let's go ahead and test the Nginx configuration. For that, use the command. If everything is fine, restart Nginx with. Now, we'll add an SSL certificate to secure your site. We'll use Certbot for this. To do this, first, install Certbot. Then, run this command to obtain and install the SSL certificate. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and agree to the terms of service. Once the SSL certificate is installed, you can access n8n by navigating to. If you get a 502 bad gateway error, don't panic. This is usually due to a permissions issue with the n8n_data folder. To fix it, follow these steps. Set the correct ownership for the n8n_data folder with the command. To restart the container, use the following command. Once that's done, visit supportteam.xyz, setup again to continue setting up n8n. Now that n8n is up and running, follow the setup wizard to create your admin account. Visit supportteam.xyz, setup n. Set up your account. After that, you'll be ready to start creating workflows. Congratulations! You now have a fully functional self-hosted n8n instance running on your VPS with SSL enabled and protected by basic authentication. You are now ready to automate your tasks and build powerful workflows with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you are happy with this tutorial.